Good morning, dear student. Today I'll take the class 8 civics chapter 1. Topic is the legislature. Topic is the legislature. As we know, India is a union state and it is having two types of the government. India is a union state and it is having two types of the government. Number one, central government. Central government, and number two, state government. Now central government, because India is too large as we know, and we are having 29 states and 7 union territories. Now we have the 8 union territories, 9 union territories also, but 29 states and 9 union territories, it is very difficult to rule from one part to entire part. So our government has decided, our constitution has made the plan to do the welfare work, and India, the government is divided into many state government. Many state government, it means 29 states. So this types of the government is also known as the bicameral government. Now central government means rule is done by the center, and state government rule is done by the states. For both level we have three organs. For both level, central government as well as the state government, we have three organs. We have three organs. Now we will discuss about the meaning of the organ. What do we mean by organ? Because unless or until we will not understand about the meaning, then we cannot understand the history and civics, because it is very difficult to memorize, it is very difficult to learn without understanding in history and civics. So each point, every point we have to understand, then only we can learn properly or we can go thoroughly. So number one, the legislature. Number one, the legislature. Number two, the executive. And number three, the judiciary. Now legislature, we will discuss about first the legislature. It is a branch of the government which make law for the country run properly. Legislature is the branch of government which make the law for the country. Now again just I am repeating, the legislature is the branch of the government which make the law for the country. Now it consists, legislature is the branch of the government which make the law for the country. It consists three types, or it consists three types. Number one, president. The president. Number two, the Lok Sabha. And number three, the Rajya Sabha. Now it is, president is also known as the head of the executive. All the power are vested in the what is called president hand, so it is also known as the head of executive. But if the question will come in the exam, who is the real head of the nation, who is the real head of the nation, directly we will write the answer, prime minister is the real head of the parliament. Prime minister is the real head of the parliament. But same question will come, who is the nominal head of the parliament, then we will write the answer, president is the nominal head of the parliament. So again just I am what is called repeating, if the question will come real head of the parliament, we will write the prime minister, or if the question will come who is the nominal head of the parliament, then we will write the president. Now we will discuss about the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha consists 552 members. Lok Sabha consists 552 members. Lok Sabha consists 552 members. How many members? 552 members. Lok Sabha consists 552 members. Now, from where they come? 552 members from where they come? But right now we have only 545 members in our parliament. 552 members. It means 530 members. 530 members are elected from 29 states. Now 30 members are elected from 7 union territories. 7 union territories. Now 20 members here. 530 plus 20, 550. Now remind, still we have 2 members. So 2 Anglo-Indian members. 2 Anglo-Indian are nominated by President. Now these are the members. Just we will discuss about the 530 members are elected by the state. 29 states, how they are elected, what are their qualifications, just we will discuss. So 530, they are elected for 5-year terms. They are elected for 5-year terms. How many year terms? 5-year terms. They are elected for how many year terms? 5-year terms. And even also qualification, just I was saying about the qualification. What are the qualification of the Lok Sabha member? Person must be citizen of India. Must be citizen of India. Person must be citizen of India. Even their age should be 25 years. Age must be 25 years or above. Third points, their name should be mentioned in electoral list. Name should be mentioned in their name should be mentioned in electoral list. Next point, there should not be any profitable post or profitable office in the India's government. So they should not have the government job. If they are having the government job and they want to fight the election, then first they have to give in the resignation from there, then only they can fight the nomination. Now last point is also they should not be unsounded minded person. It means those who want to fight the election of the parliament, what is called Lok Sabha, they should be the good, what is called persons. Thank you class. Next I will discuss in the next class.